Yes.
Petition item 1.
Not willing for
May it please
mediation?
Your Lordship, this matter has been referred for mediation. However, we've contacted our client and he is not inclined for the mediation, my lord. So we would,
This is compensation matter,
no, this is a matter of encroachment, my lord.
encroachment.
Yes, my lord.
So why don't you explain to them?
We have, my lord. The matter is that we have also opened ourselves for negotiations prior to filing the writ petition. However, no compliance was made from the respondents. That is why, my lord, we have filed this instant writ petition,
The state is the
my lord.
party along with private respondents.
No, my lord. No private
State.
respondents,
So encroachment by the state, is it?
my lord.
So what does the state have to say regarding this? Where's the place?
Lordship, we have not yet received any instructions from the department.
See, here it appears that there's a house which is constructed just above some this thing. Above some mining area. And the petitioner had constructed an SEM-type building. Is it?
No, my lord. One other private party has, a third party has constructed, for which we have filed an eviction for the private parties in the district court, my lord.
Okay, so, but in your present writ petition, the private party, does he come into picture?
No, my lord. This is
It is a
solely
different-
against the state
Okay,
respondent.
it is a different, this thing, area, plot of land, is it? Because if there's an eviction matter pending, it
Yes,
has to be looked into. So
Uh,
will
my
the
lord-
eviction case be affected by this WPC?
No, my lord, it is a different party against a different party, my lord.
Okay. So basically, if it's referred to mediation, the state government may also say, okay, you continue to have your house, landed property, wherever. What is the area of the land? Is it a big house or what?
It is a RCC building, my lord, constructed by the state respondents, my lord. It's a geotechnical building.
So what do you want? A rent or what? Or you want this thing, RCC building to be demolished by the state respondents?
We have,
What's your prayer?
our prayer is either the the respondents acquire our lands and to pay the compensation rightfully as per the 2000, or to pay a rental compensation for the,
So make an attempt concerning that. The state government
Yes,
may be
madam, I
willing.
will also inform the respondents, the state respondents, regards to this. I have not yet informed them that this matter had been listed for mediation.
So we listed for mediation. In the mediation, you appear. There's nothing, they're not going to be forced to come to any settlement. If you talk with the respondent, if you cannot settle the matter, it can be sent back to the court. Mediation is not something which you have to be scared of, isn't it? Then whatever you are praying for, that could be agreed by the state respondents also after you talk face to face, discuss.
my lord, I would like to submit that we have done that previously before filing the writ petition.
Between whom? Who
With-
was the mediator then?
I have personally spoken with the superintendent.
Are you a
himself.
trained mediator
No, my lord.
then?
It was before filing of the writ petition, my lord.
Before the filing of the writ petition, you had made an attempt, but in mediation, we have trained mediators who have undergone 40 hours training. Okay, because for you, it will be difficult for the superintendent to agree because you are representing the petitioner, you are the other side. We want a third party who will talk to both the parties. So when you spoke to the state government, you were representing the petitioner, isn't it?
My lord.
Then when you, representing the petitioner, speaks to the state respondents, it will be difficult. You need a third party, impartial person who will try and see your problems both sides, isn't it?
Understood, my lord. So if I may have some time again to consult with
No,
my,
you need not consult. You convince them. Let them go. He's not losing out on anything. Okay, what is the stage? Is it been fixed for hearing or anything?
not yet, my lord, no affidavit has been filed by the respondent.
So by the time the state respondents are going to pray for adjournments every time, by the time we keep adjourning the matter, waiting for them to file their counter affidavit, you could have also settled your matter.
My lord.
It's in your interest. You are adamant, I'm not going to shift from this thing, I want these. So in the mediation, maybe you could, or the mediator could persuade the state respondents that, see, this is this, give him what he wants, then your problem could be solved. We don't know what's going to happen during mediation, okay? But there will be a third party who will be there. He will look into documents, and if it appears that actually it belongs to you, then your matter could be settled much quicker. Okay. So you explained in those keys, it's not that. And then if you cannot come to a settlement, you can always, the matter can always be referred back to the court, isn't it?
My lord.
And in the mediation, if someone on behalf of the state respondent appears, he will also be more conversant with the case. And even if you cannot come to a settlement, they will be able to file their counter affidavit in much quicker than the normal course.
My lord.
Isn't it? So you don't have to be scared. I think you convince and make an attempt. There's no
Yes, my
harm.
lord.
Okay. Yes. Heard Ms. Belinda so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, along with Ms. Vane Siami, Caroline K. Lalungoipui, learned government advocate. So it is seen that though a report is submitted that the petitioner is not willing to have the matter referred to mediation, on hearing the counsels for both the parties and on perusal of the nature of the writ petition, it is found that there could be grounds on which the parties can come to some settlement. In view of the above, as agreed by the learned counsels for both the parties, matter may be listed for mediation. Registry to do the needful.
Yes.
Item 2.
May it please your lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the state respondents, and the matter was referred for mediation on the 24th of July, and accordingly on the 28th of July, instructions have been sought, your lordship. However,
Yes.
I'm yet to receive any instructions from the state respondents. Your lordship, appearing on behalf of my senior as Vanla Shata.
You are not willing? What is the writ petition regarding?
So the matter of this petition is, your lordship, that there was a construction
Road.
of road linking Udal Thana to Nagdora
So this is
Sora.
compensation matter?
Yeah, your lord, yes, your lordship.
Don't say yeah.
Yes, sorry, your lordship.
This is a compensation matter, and you are claiming compensation under the 2013 Act, is it?
Yes, your
Under
lordship.
which act? I don't know why you all are scared to have your matter listed for settlement. I'll just have a look whether there's scope for settlement. Again, encroachment. They are from which place? The petitioners?
They are mainly from Nagdora Sora and Nagdora Sora, Gulsing,
Yes,
Gulsing
yes, a little
Bapur,
bit
and
difficult for them to come also. 19 numbers, they're from very
Yes, Your
far-flung villages, and to come for mediation because the matter might not be settled in one sitting. Okay, so having to come now and again because they have to be there in person.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So maybe since they're not willing, it may be not too practical to have this matter listed. Miss
Banal Sandami, Your Lordship.
Vanlal Samdami appears on behalf of her senior
Vanlal
Mr.
Shiata. Yes, Vanlal Shiata.
S. Vanlal Shiata. Good stop. Ms. Lalindri, learned government advocate for state respondents, submits that she has yet to get instructions regarding whether the state respondents are willing to have the matter referred to mediation. Yes, Zainam Sangpo, anything?
I already sent to all concerned, but I'm waiting the reply, my lord, for mediation.
Okay, so we have said Ms. Lalindri, okay, government advocate, and Ms. Zairang Sangpui, okay, learned CGC. Submits that they have, okay, same. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioners are not willing to have their matter referred to mediation, especially since the petitioners belong to far-flung villages at Siha district, is it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
And would not be able to come for mediation. In view of the above submissions, this matter need not be listed for mediation. List the matter after 3 weeks for the respondents to file their counter evidence. Yes.
Item 3.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the state respondents. This matter has been referred for mediation, and on behalf of the state, we have no objection to the mediation.
No objection. So very good. Why have you objected? The petitioners,
Petitioners, we are willing to proceed with mediation, my lord.
you are willing or not willing?
Willing.
Willing?
Yes.
Okay. Mr.
Simon Kang Asylum.
Saminka Asylum, learned counsel for the petitioner is present, along with Ms. Lalundlui, learned government advocate for the state respondents, and Ms.
Your Lordship, respondent 3 and 4 object the referral to mediation.
Why? What is the writ petition about? And Ms. So-and-so appearing on behalf of her senior, Mr. S. Vanal Shiata, learned counsel for respondent number
3 and 4.
3 and 4. Wait, let me just see what's the nature of your writ petition. What is the writ petition about? Petitioner, any idea?
Yes, my lord. This is regarding regularization in the
Oh, regularization. So 3 and 4 is whom? You are?
Chairman and Managing Director of Ms. Outfit, Your Lordship.
Okay. Of Ms. Ofed, is it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So you are completely opposed to their regularization, is it? Have you filed a counter affidavit so that we can see your grounds for opposing?
Not yet, Your Lordship. We haven't submitted.
I mean, these are technical issues, not very appropriate for the mediation, isn't it? Though the learned counsel for the petitioner and the state and the government advocate submit that they do not oppose to have the matter referred to mediation. The Learned Counsel for respondents number 3 and 4 submits that they are not willing to have the matter referred to mediation. In view of the above, matter need not be sent for mediation. List the matter after 3 weeks for the respondents to file their counter affidavit. Yes.
Item 4.
May it please your lordship, on behalf of the state respondents, instructions have been sought as to whether the state is willing to consent to the mediation process, your lordship.
But the petitioner is not willing.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the leading counsel. She could not appear due to personal difficulty. So she has instructed me that her clients are not open to the mediation, my lord.
What is the writ petition about?
This is regarding the payment of solatium, which has been awarded in the 3G, my lord.
Relation you can't really settle, isn't it? Yes. Ms. Valentina Sowens appears on behalf of the petitioners, along with Ms. Lillian Louis, learned government advocate for the state respondents, and Mrs. Aaron Sampui, learned CGC for respondents number 4. Yes, the counsel for the petitioner submits that they are not willing to have the matter referred for mediation. In view of the above, list the matter after 3 weeks for the respondents to file their counter affidavits. Is it? Yes. Okay. For their counter affidavits, then in the presence of Mr. Samuel L. Sante, learned standing counsel for respondent number 5 and 6, and
I'm appearing
Miss-
for
yes,
respondent number 3.
Saki. For respondent number
3.
3 is noted. Yes.
Item 5.
Then this.
Yes, my lord, my clients are not inclined to the mediation. This is a matter of JICA, my lord. R&R as per the Ruffler Act of 2013, my lord, payment of compensation.
Compensation matters is a bit difficult. Yes, the learned counsels for both the parties are present and submit that they are not willing to have the matter referred for mediation. In view of the above, this is the matter after 3 weeks for the respondents to file their counter affidavits. Yes.
Much obliged.
Item 6.
Condonation application, this is.
Yes, my lord. It's an unintentional delay of 138 days.
What is the matter about?
The matter is the appellant's son, it is the custodial debt of the appellant's son, where a magisterial inquiry and PME post-mortem examination was not conducted by the respondents number 2 to 5. And
Regarding what?
it's the, he was detained by the state respondent number 2 to 5 in Bonbon police station, where he fell from the premises from the building, and he was declared dead on the same date, my lord.
So RFA is against
Against
which order?
against dated 29/4/2024, passed by the learned civil judge senior division 1, my lord.
Civil judge, okay.
Yes, madam.
Anyway, so you're not willing, will not this thing also, because this is an IAS for condonation, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Ms. So-and-so, your good name?
Senior Rimpui.
Silal Rinpui, learned counsel for the applicant / appellant is present and submits that the applicant is not willing to have the matter referred to.
My lord, if I may kindly interject, consent letter has been submitted on Monday, so
You're willing?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, Louis, you're the government, make an attempt.
Yes, Your Lordship. We have no objection because as this case has been handled by Miss Vanesiami and she has instructed me that the state
It
has
can
no.
be the same,
Yes,
okay? The learned counsels for both the, Miss so-and-so, learned counsel for so-and-so is, Sheila Runpui, for the applicant slash appellant is present, along with Miss Lunpui, learned government advocate
Yes, Your Lordship.
for the state respondents is present. Both the councils submit that they have no objection to the matter being referred to mediation. Accordingly, the registry to do the needful. Yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.